Hello and welcome to Junk Journal July for 2023. My name's Leigh. I'm from Australia, and during the month of July I'm going to create something in my little accordion journal using the prompts provided. These are going to be quick projects that I hope will motivate and inspire you to do something in your own journal every day. This is an open challenge hosted by Meg from Meg Journals. Okay, let's see what today's prompt is and get creative. Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me for day 15 of Junk Journal July. So nearly halfway through, well pretty much halfway, aren't we? Only 16 more to go. So this prompt for today is called Tucked Away. During the making of this one, I had a bit of a disaster where my book fell apart. So that music sheet that you can see there is really old, like it's over 100 years old, and it just couldn't stand up to being folded continuously, and the bit of moisture that got onto it from using the Stabilo pencil and then wetting where I'd drawn, so I had to do a quick repair. But all's well that ends well. A bit of washi tape and some glue and another piece of paper, and you would never known that the book had fallen apart. So at the moment I'm just laying down some paper to strengthen that music sheet. Little did I know that it was going to break somewhere else though. I knew the paper was delicate, but I didn't even think about the crease. So I'm just trimming off the edge there. What I'm going to make is a pocket from this paper. And then I've got, you can just see it at the bottom there's a couple of birds. It's an image that I've been hanging on to for ages, trying to pop it in somewhere. So they're going to come into play on the journal card, and they'll live inside the pocket. I've got a set of hands that I cut out ages ago, I didn't use them, and I thought I'm going to nestle those birds into the hands. So I just had to trim this up a little bit so they'll fit in there. I was just about to glue those birds onto the journal card, and then I thought to myself, I should really stick the pocket down. That way the glue will be dry by the time I make the actual journal card, and I can just slip it straight in without worrying about it sticking. That little beetle, that's another thing that's been hanging around on my desk for ages. I'm gluing the birds onto the first piece of paper. I'm really happy with the way they look. They look like they're nestled into the hands, like the hand is a nest sort of thing. I'm just going to quickly ink up this, and then I'm going to attach another piece of paper to the back of it and stitch around it with my sewing machine. Okay, so it's been stitched together now, and I'm just popping it into the pocket. Make sure it all fits nicely. I'm going to stamp the prompt onto a scrap of paper. I'm just putting the number 15, sorry, the number 15 up the top there. So I'm going to use a piece of this page. It's out of a sketchbook, and it's just got gesso like scraped over it. So it's quite stiff, but it's got a lot of texture on it. So I'll stamp tucked away on that. I'm going around the edge of the page with my Stabilo oil pencil, and then I'll use a damp paintbrush to wet that. And it's at this point, when I've wet the pencil, that the page actually tears off the rest of the book. It just couldn't take the moisture. There's a fair bit of weight in the rest of the book too, so every time I move it, it's got that pressure on the join. I'm looking at my journal card and I'm thinking that it needs a tag or something on it. So I do eventually put a tag onto it. Just edging that in the Stabilo pencil as well. And there you can see the book releasing along that crease mark. But I mean, it's no big problem. As I said, a little bit of washi tape just for extra reinforcement, and then I glued a another patch over the paper over the top. So that glue that I'm using is a permanent glue stick. It's made by Kaisercraft. I'm not sure if you can get it overseas, but it's they're an Australian company, and it's a really good strong glue. So once I'd patched it up, I was happy and confident that it wasn't going to break again. So this is where I'm just looking at it at the card and thinking I really want to put a little tab on the card, so it's obvious that it is a journaling card and it's meant to be pulled out, and it also lets the viewer see that that is a pocket, not just something glued to the paper as well. And then I write on the back of it, "The sweetest things are found tucked away," referring to the little birds tucked away in the hands. And then the journal card is tucked away in the pocket, and the pocket is tucked away in the book. So that's my finished project for day 15. I hope you like that. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. A thumbs up, a thumbs down, whatever you want to do. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and join me for some more videos. So for the time being, it's cheers from Australia. Hooroo!